Hello, Pinocho. Hello, it's nice to see you again. I'm very happy because you can see my video. Ready to start with the routine? Okay, that's great. Tell me, Pinocho, how do you feel today? Happy or sad? I'm very happy because we can be in contact. You can see my video and I can see you. That's why I'm very happy. Look at my smile. Oh, a happy face. Now, raise your hand if you are ready for the weather routine. What's the weather like today? Is it sunny or cloudy or rainy? I have an idea. Let's draw the imaginary window. Let's take the imaginary pencil. Let's draw the window. Open the window. Move the curtains. And look, what's the weather like today? It's sunny today. Let's draw the sun. Very good. Today is sunny, but it can be cloudy or rainy. Sunny, cloudy, or rainy. Who is ready to sing the window song? ¿Te animas a cantar la canción de la ventana conmigo? Yes? Así se la enseñas a tu familia en casa. I count 3 and we start, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's open the window and see. What's the weather like today? Let's open the window and see. What's the weather like today? It's sunny, sunny, sunny today. It's sunny, sunny, sunny today. Very good. Pinocho, excellent. Si te animas en casa, enséñale a tus papás a dibujar la ventana imaginaria. The imaginary window. No te olvides de agarrar el lápiz imaginario como hacemos siempre. Le enseñas a dibujar la ventana y puedes mirar por la ventana de tu casa para ver cómo está el clima. La dibujas y puedes dibujar el solcito, sunny, cloudy o rainy. Y después pueden cantar la canción. Y el que se anima y tiene ganas puede grabarse cantando la weather song y la sube a la plataforma si la vemos todos. ¿Qué les parece? Well, Pinocho, excellent work. Very, very good. I miss you. Los extraño mucho. Well, bye bye. See you later, alligator. Bye, 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 butterfly.